Hey guys, I'm back again, and today I am back with such an exciting video. I have waited so freaking long to make this video. You guys, remember the last giveaway? It was the W7 in the buff palette. It's the dupe for the Urban Decay Naked palettes. I own that palette myself and actually use it quite often. But I gave away that palette. It was a pretty long giveaway, but that giveaway is closed. I picked a winner. Unfortunately, I did not get to my mark of 500 subscribers, but you know what? We're gonna start another giveaway. I don't care. I'm gonna start another giveaway. And this giveaway, I think I want to reach 750 subscribers. Hopefully that's not too big of a goal. But I'm setting myself up for 750 subscribers. Can't even speak. That's how freaking excited I am. And as y'all know, if you at least have been following me, then you know that I mentioned that this giveaway will contain an item of Tarte cosmetics, which is something that I know in America is pretty easy to get, but over here in Holland, it's pretty gosh difficult to get because we don't have it. Only the Tarte, like the actual official Tarte website, but you need to pay a hell of a lot of shipping in order to get it here. So I thought it would be really cool to make another giveaway with Tarte Cosmetics. So I'm just gonna state before I show you guys what this giveaway, you know, what's in this giveaway. Let's just kind of make up the rules. So the first rule, I need to reach 750 subscribers, and how I do that, I do not care. But that's like the first thing. That's when this giveaway will end. And you can help out with that. And I will give people bonus points for actually trying and helping me out. Make sure to share this video on your social media as much as possible. And make sure, for example, if you share this through Instagram, my giveaway, I will post a picture of the giveaway that I'm, of the items. I'll post a picture online, and make sure, if you want extra bonus points, to share that picture on Instagram and tag me in that picture. Make sure to follow me, but tag me in that picture so that I know that you guys, you know, are kind of doing something to help me out, and I can give you bonus points. So basically that's when this giveaway will end. 750 subscribers. Okay, so what do you actually need to do? I always try and keep my giveaways really simple. And one is be subscribed to my YouTube channel, clearly. Number 2, like the video, clearly. And number 3, comment down below Tarte. Only thing you need to do, Tarte. You could type in Tarte Cosmetics if you want to. I don't care, as long as Tarte is in there. And that's basically the only thing you need to do, actually. Like I said, share that video on your social media and tag me. If it's on Facebook, tag me. If it's on Twitter, tag me. I have Twitter now. If it's on Instagram, tag me. I am everywhere. Make sure to check my info down below. That's how you can find me. Basically, if you type in Jupiter Dark Shadow, you will find me everywhere. I know it's a weird name, but let me just explain that for a minute because it is weird. I got it when I was like 12 years old or something as a nickname, and it kind of stuck and it didn't go away. So, you know, I'm kind of holding on to that, whatever. But basically, you can find me anywhere, and make sure, like I said, the more you share and the more people will subscribe, clearly, but the more you share, the more bonus points you will get. So, I think it was pretty clear, right? Be subscribed to my YouTube channel, like this video, leave a comment with Tarte. Those are the 3 rules that need to be done in order to kind of get this. And bonus points added for sharing my video, sharing the picture on Instagram. Just share as much as possible. The sooner I reach 750 subscribers, the sooner I will give this away, and the sooner the next giveaway will start, because I'm already looking out for the next one, and this one hasn't even started, so way to go. Okay, I think it's time to show you guys what it is that I'm giving away. Okay, so let's just start with Tarte, and I'm holding it right here. So as you can see, it's not a big huge tube, but it is a lip gloss. It's from Tarte. It's their Tartiest lip paint in the color, hold on, let me see what it says, a man bun. This fella I am giving away to one of you guys. This is what that looks like, and the color is not completely true on camera. You can clearly look up this color and swatches, because it's a new freaking tube and I ain't gonna swatch it. I'm sorry, because then I can't give it away. So if you want swatches, make sure to check it online. Man bun, Tarte, is it Tarteist or Tarteist? I think it's Tarteist, and I always been calling this Tarteist. Oops, but basically it's a lip paint. Make sure to check it out, Man Bun. That's the color I'm giving away. So this is the first item, but clearly, oh my God, I dropped it. And I guess this is the most important fella also in this giveaway, because this is basically what this entire giveaway is about. But it's stupid to just give out this. I mean, come on, you know? So I'm giving away way more. You know what? I'm just gonna put it in a box. There we go. So, for my ladies of color, I have a foundation from 29 Cosmetics. It's the Hydrating Foundation SPF 15. I'm just gonna show you, it's dark, HFO6. I thought that was a name, but it's a 6. And this is what that fella looks like. Again, not true to color over here. I'm sorry, I smudged it all with my hands. Sorry about that. Like I said, I'm not gonna open anything because this is all new and I'm not gonna open it. Let's see what it says. It's grapeseed age protecting varieties. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it's the Hydrating Foundation, the dark HF06. So look it up online if you're interested in the color. It's from 29 Cosmetics. So that's another thing that you could win. Then next to that is this fella right here, and this is the After Spa Cognac Sponge. It looks like that, as you can see, new, brand new in the packaging. I'm not going to open it clearly, but this is the third item. Then we're going to move on to the fourth item, which is this fella, and this is the Silly Gel Blender. This is what that fella looks like. I think everybody knows what a Silly Gel Blender looks like, but basically this is that fella. Moving on to the fifth item. There we go, a contouring palette. I think this is cream, am I right? Yeah, I think this is a cream contour from Beauty UK. I'm sorry for the reflection, it's sealed, as you can see. Again, I'm not gonna get it out of the seal, but that is the fifth, am I right? 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, fifth item. Then we have the sixth item, which is from a Masada Milano, and this is the Light and Bronze Terracotta Baked Bronzing Powder, which looks like that. I can't open it because this one is not sealed, but I'm not going to touch the powder. It's just to show you guys what that fella looks like. Hopefully you guys are able to see that. So that is the sixth. I lost track. Moving on. Something else. This is the Beauty Crop Glow Milk nourished with coconut oil, the illuminating milk, basically a highlighter. I'm not gonna open it once again, but this is what that fella looks like. It is beautiful. And then we're gonna move on to this fella. This is the Hydra Active Smart Nutrient Day Cream HA+. This is from Figs and Rouge. So this fella you could receive also. Well, actually the one who's gonna win is definitely gonna receive this. Then we're gonna move on to another thing that is packed and sealed, which I'm not gonna open. This is from Christian Faye. It's a 2-in-1 long-lasting eyebrow / eyeliner pencil. This is what that fella looks like. I think that like this over here is the color. This is where that pencil is, and this is clearly like a smudger or a brush or whatever you want to call it like. Then we're gonna move on because no, we're not done. This fella, I think everybody knows what this is. You put your 2 fingers in here and you basically clean your brushes like a cleaning egg is what you can receive also. I'm kind of out of breath. Then moving on to Pony Cosmetics. This is the Shadow Trio. I have this one myself as well, and I use it and I really do enjoy it. So this is what it looks like over here. And you know what? I'm not gonna get it out of this package because I'm just gonna be honest, if I want to get it out of this, I will have to tear this fella apart. As y'all know, I'm not good in opening things lightly. I kind of rip everything apart, and I don't want to rip this apart. And the one that I actually have is not here, or at least I don't see it. So I'm sorry, but obviously you could Google it. It's from Pony, P-E-O-N-Y, the Shadow Trio. It will pop up immediately and you will see all the colors. Once again, this is what that fella looks like. That one is three eyeshadow colors in brown tones, really beautiful brown tones. So basically, okay, this is what y'all will receive. And next to that, I felt like putting in a little bit of an extra thing. So this does not, these two things do not count as an actual item. But I don't know, I don't know, it's just a little extra, okay? It's a little extra. Give me a break here. So it's a sample size of this fella. This is, it is in German, so sorry about that. But this is from Gliscor. It's their oil in shampoo. It's just a little sample size, it's a little extra, you'll get that. And a little perfume sample of Versace. This is the Eros Parfum. This is Eau de Parfum. So this, like I said, just a little sample size. It's brand freaking new. These two things, once again, I'm going to say do not count as an actual item. It's just a little bit of an extra in here. So this entire box can be yours. Obviously, the number one item, what this whole giveaway, once again, is about is Tarte. The lip gloss of Tarte Cosmetics. So that is all that you can win. Kind of out of breath. Hopefully you guys like it. Let me know down below. Everything is new and untouched, clearly. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Once again, the rules: you need to be subscribed to my channel, you need to like this video, and comment Tarte down below. Only 3 things that are actually required, and the rest is all a bonus Jonas and extra. Bonus Jonas. Who said bonus Jonas? I feel like somebody said that, but I don't know who. Anyway, thank y'all so much for watching. Very good luck for everybody. I'm extremely excited for this, and let the party start. Okay, let's begin this party, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.